Yo, what's up, everybody? Damn, it's been a minute since I made a video like this, especially a video in general. Low-key, dirty-ass car, bro. By the way, I put a new bumper on the car. Looking pretty good. We're still not done with it. I gotta do a lot more shit to it. All right, either way, whole purpose of this video, all right, we're gonna go to the gym, we're gonna work out, I'm recording the bike. I think I posted this on either here on YouTube or on my Instagram, but finally got the fucking mounts so we could put it on this bitch ass windshield, bro, because I've never gotten the mounts for this. My bike is really dirty, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Mad dirty. We're gonna wipe it off though. As you can see, we got hella shit around it though. Right now, I think it's like in the 50s. It's cold as shit. I live here in Texas, and right now we have like a whole cold front thing going on. It's not set to actually like fully kick in though till I think Monday, but today's Saturday when I'm recording this video, so it's not that far from it, but it's starting, you're starting to feel the cold, you know what I mean? You're starting to feel the shit. Bro's laying there like he pays the bills, bro. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna put the little mount on the thing for my GoPro, then we can start and take off to the gym, bro. We're gonna do all this shit. All right, we're gonna get rid of all this shit and we'll put the mounty mount on the fucking bike. All right, the moment of truth. Oh, please don't have trouble starting up. Oh, shit. Okay, buddy.
I can feel your body resting on my chest. I guess that my shoulder is all you get. When you moved around, yeah, that's where it all fell. To the ground, babe. And you like to move in silence, baby, so do I. This could either be hell or a paradise. Talking to your friends, baby, so do I. About you, we both know it's too late. I forgot I lied to you. We both know it's too forgot I lied to you. Who said we can't forget even if it don't last? Baby, when I get up in it, you forget the past. I'll make sure to cut all of the strings that get attached, and you make sure to call me every time you want me back. I love the way you say your name, say your name. I remember for some Medicaid. Love the way you say your name, say your name. You like to move in silence, baby, so.
Alright, so we just got here, right? We just got here to the fucking bat cave, alright. I'm gonna just warm up at 20, bro. Or no, I'm gonna warm up at 15. It is really fucking cold out here. It's like, I think it's in the 60s, but the wind is making it feel like 50s. Where to start? So, November, right? That was the last time I posted. Around that time, I believe I had just finished midterms and I was already preparing for finals. November happened, December rolled around. December, that's when finals ended up coming along. Beginning of December, my birthday came by. Now I gotta wait until the whole fucking year for that shit. After that, it was finals week, or finals weeks, because I had multiple, and they were spread out to 2 different weeks. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I studied my ass off in December. Like literally, like the beginning of December, lower end of November, I was preparing my fucking ass off for finals. Just because, as I said before, I'm a STEM major. I study in engineering. It's a really tough major, but as long as you make it tough, you know what I mean? As long as you put your head down, you study, you know, you do your work, you try to understand it. When it comes to engineering, like from high school to college, you actually have to understand what you're doing, because if you fuck up, you're fucked. Like you get sued, everything, like you're fucked. Like you're done. You're done. I went to finals, right? At the time I was still working, so I was doing school and work. While I was at work, I was still studying. Like I was really I was putting my all into these finals, but it paid off. I passed all my courses, so you know, it is what it is. We're on to a new semester. We ended up having our winter break. I'm not gonna lie, I could have, and I should have started posting my videos again because at that time I was kind of free. If you guys know Albino, he's a regular on the channel. He doesn't appear in any of my bike videos, but if you scroll down, you'll see my workout videos. He's in them. Him and I kind of started this project that I want to keep a secret for now. Then January began. First 2 weeks of January, still our break, and this past week school just began. So my courses now do favor my life just because now I'm taking a lot of morning classes, morning shit. I work in the morning, so I'm free all afternoon. And spring is coming up. Even though right now I said it's cold as shit. This is just how it is down here. I really don't know why. But spring is coming. That means riding season's coming back. Right now, I shouldn't even be driving this bike just because it's fucking cold, bro. It really is. So hopefully it passes by pretty soon. That way I can take this sexy ass boy to campus, to school, show y'all. I took the old Ninja 300 to school one time in one of my older videos. Other than school, I'm not gonna lie, school has just been really tough on me recently. But like I said, I'm just really putting in my all into this shit. If you guys remember, last year, deadass a year ago, I got a whiteboard. And on that whiteboard, I had my goals for 2025, shit that I really wanted to do. We fucking shattered that shit, bro. Like all those goals completely blown out of the water. It's crazy. It was an amazing year. 2025 was an amazing year. But at the start of 2026, I ended up making like a whole new set of goals for the year. Shit that I really want to accomplish. Business-wise, YouTube-wise, academic-wise, religion-wise. You know what I mean? Just stuff like that. Can you guys hear that playing? Holy shit. But yeah, honestly, that's where I've just been. When I posted my last couple videos, that's when school really ramped up. That's when it was so, like, videos are being posted like so far apart from each other compared to how it was, like, let's say in the summer when I was just working. Like, even having a full-time job, I was able to post videos. I think it was like 2 videos or 3 videos a week or some shit like that. At least this time now, I'm really adapting to it, I would say. The only thing that's really time consuming, like, I can film all day. Like, I really don't give a fuck. I can film, I can pick up the camera, I can talk to y'all. I'm really comfortable with that now. But the main thing would be editing. As y'all know, I have vocalized my pure dissatisfaction for editing.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Bro, I'm looking for an editor though. Hey, if anybody's out there, if anybody wants to edit my videos, send me a DM on Instagram. My links will be all down below. All my links will be down below. So if you guys want to become my editor, just let me know. You know what I mean? DM me. Oh, another side quest that I did not even talk about. Yeah, I started streaming. So I did start streaming. On stream live, we hit 10K. I tried streaming here on YouTube for a bit, but I'm not gonna lie, my internet is just so dog shit to really, or at the time it really was. We upgraded since then, but it was really hard to stream from Twitch and YouTube through OBS, so it really took up a lot of like my internet, and it was just really bad. I really didn't like it. We hit 10K live. Amazing day. I'll put the clip up actually here. As you can see, I was pretty psyched. A lot of people here where I live saw the video. I'm guessing because of the algorithm and like where my region is. Yeah, a lot of people fucking saw that shit, DM'd me about it. They saw it on Instagram Reels, and I was like, oh, bro, no. So we did do lateral raises. We did do 4 sets. We did a warm-up set of 15, then we did a working set of 20, then 2 more sets of 30. Right now, I'm thinking of just doing press movements, just like dumbbell shoulder press, but let's fucking move this bitch ass here. We're gonna just do shoulder press. I'm gonna be dead ass. I really don't know what to do. I just kind of came over here just to move, you know what I mean? You know what? If anything, we'll probably just spam the fuck out of shoulder press, dumbbell shoulder press. I'll probably go heavy. I want to see if I can go heavy. I have been having like problems with my left shoulder. People that go to the gym, you understand the fucking struggle with this shit. pump is pumping. Other than that, I'm probably just gonna go back home. I'm gonna be dead ass. I'm low-key freaking hungry. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. So my dad ended up gifting me some riding shoes, but now we're fully equipped with the Infinity Stones. I think the only thing we're missing now are pants or like leggings. If you guys ride, or if you guys ever plan on riding, please ride safe. Get equipment, you know what I mean? And what I mean by equipment, I mean good equipment. When I first started riding, I got like these shitty ass gloves. They were like work gloves. They weren't even like riding gloves. Like now I have these. I don't even know if I've ever put them in a video or not, but I got these actual riding gloves. At first I had like these really shitty working gloves. They were not gonna fucking protect me at all if I crashed. They were just there for the aesthetic. I have them in my videos. Like when I first blew up last year, I'm wearing them. Like it was bad, bro. It was bad. I never invested into gear. The only thing I ever invested in was a fucking helmet, but that's pretty much it. Guys, please stay safe when riding out there. Don't do stupid shit. Don't do any dumb shit that's gonna cost you your fucking life. I mean, that is not something you should be playing around with. I get it, like bikes, they're fun. You wanna go fast, you wanna go weave through traffic, do all this dumb shit. It's cool and all, like it looks cool on camera, it looks cool, it gets views. At the same time, like, just don't play with your life like that, man. I don't really condone shit like that. To an extent, I understand it, you know what I mean? There's times where I even get the zoomies. Like when I first hopped on a fucking ZX6R, I was like, damn, I gotta feel the power in this bitch, like holy shit. But at the same time, it's like, you know what I mean? It's my life that I'm playing with. What's the point of enjoying something if I'm dead? You know what I mean? At first, I would ride with just a fucking compression shirt. These same joggers, like I said, I don't have pants, but I need to invest in pants. And fuck it, even these shoes, I would ride with these shoes, bro. Like these shoes, this shirt, like nothing's gonna fucking protect if I ever crashed, bro. And I'm lucky. I pray to God every day that like I never get into a crash, and I'm lucky that I never have gotten into a crash.